I'm about to turn you on to the best chicken salad you will ever put in your mouth. It's low carb, it's high protein, and this will be the best meal prep that you will ever make, I promise you. I'm gonna show you how to make it today. The full recipe is gonna be linked down in the description box. It'll take you to my blog. You'll get all the measurements and everything. I'm gonna show you the recipe, and then I'm gonna show you how I like to eat it to get even more protein and what I find is the tastiest way to enjoy this recipe. Can you guys tell I'm excited? My mouth's literally watering. This recipe is split up into 3 parts: the sauce, the chicken, and then what I like to call the mix-ins. So the sauce I'm gonna make in the food processor. The chicken that I'm gonna be using is my best chicken ever recipe. I made this yesterday. It's nice and cold from my fridge. It's the easiest, best chicken you will ever make in your life. I will link that recipe down below as well. And then the mix-ins that I'm gonna be using are celery and red onion. This is where you can get creative. You can add in almonds, slivered almonds, you can add in walnuts, you can add in grapes, you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna keep this low carb and just do some celery and red onion, but let's get started first with the sauce. It's all made in the food processor. Cottage cheese, mayo, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, tiny splash of soy sauce, and a little turn of rice wine vinegar. Now for spices, I'm using celery salt, paprika, black pepper, and now we're ready to pulse this up. You really are looking for the garlic cloves to be broken apart and the cottage cheese to also be broken apart. Side note, if you're weird about cottage cheese, please do not skip it in this recipe. It adds more protein. You can't even taste it. It just makes the sauce very luxurious and creamy, and it all gets blended up in the food processor, so you really don't even know that it's there, but it seriously makes this recipe. Where is my brain? I forgot. You want the juice of half of a lemon. This is one of those ingredients too that you're not gonna taste, but it's gonna wake up all the flavors. So don't skip that either. Half of a lemon, put it right in there. I'm gonna pulse this one more time. Okay, this is the sauce that we're looking at right now. So let's add in the chicken. Add in any chicken that you like. You wanna do rotisserie, you wanna do your own spice blended chicken, whatever floats your boat. This is the best though. It just makes for such a flavorful chicken salad. And what I like to do is I take like a chicken breast and I just cut it in half so that the food processor doesn't have to do so much work. You just wanna fill in the bottom layer, just like that. Now you can customize this part to whatever you like. So I like chicken salad that's a little bit more processed. I don't like it when it's super chunky. You make that decision, right? Some people like it like as a pate, like very finely chopped. You can accomplish every single style in the food processor. So I have it timed. I do it on the pulse setting, and then I do it like 15 times. And that to me is like perfection. And that's how I like my chicken salad. So let's pulse. You guys, I get excited every time I make this. This has been my hyperfixation meal that I've been having probably for 3 months, twice a week. Oh my gosh, delicious. It smells amazing. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna transfer it to my container that I'm gonna store it in. There it is. Okay, now in my opinion, celery needs to be peeled. Okay, now let's get some red onion going. Okay, so you will find me enjoying this chicken salad. It smells so good in 3 different ways. So the first way is I literally just plop it on top of a salad. Mixed greens, arugula, tomato, maybe a little bit more onion. The second way, guys, my mouth is watering, is with these crackers. These are my favorite crackers. They're great for a low carb lifestyle. They are good clean ingredients. They are the Simple Mills almond flour crackers. These have a hold on me. They taste so good. I think that's because they're perfectly salted. What I do is I literally portion out my crackers and I go in. You guys, This is the best chicken salad I've ever had in my life. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a chicken salad connoisseur. I've had chicken salad from everywhere. This is the best one. This is my favorite part of the videos. Next, if you're ready to bump up the protein even more, grab a protein chip and let that be your vehicle. I love the Quest chips. I don't have any more of the salsa verde. Those are my favorite with this chicken salad, but sour cream and onion, just as good, right? These kind of taste like a dill pickle. Anybody else? Okay, they're a little fragile. So, we use our spoon. Check down below, you'll go to my blog, you'll get the full written recipe, and I'll see you guys with my next video. Bye.